see, this is the cake. Everybody likes it? Yes. I have 4 members in my family, so I have cut this cake into 4 equal parts. Now I have give a 1 part out of 4 equal parts to a 1 member. Then how much part I have to given? Yes, 1 out of 4. How to read this? 1 out of 4 or 1/4 part. 1/4 part. This is the 1/4 part. Understood? Now I have given the 2 parts out of 4 parts. Suppose I have shared the 2 parts out of 4 equal parts. Then how we write this? Means how much part I have given to another member? Yes, 2 out of 4 means 2 out of 4 parts or 2/4 part. See here, if we overlap these 2 parts, then they are exactly same. Then we also call this half. 2 equal part means this is the half part, this is the half part. Understood all the students? This is the common word. Now suppose I has to be given the 3 parts out of 4 equal parts. Out of, we write always the total numbers are at the down, correct? And how much part we has to be divided? 3 parts. So 3 is at the above, 3 out of 4. So how to write this? 3 out of 4 parts or 3/4. Understood? Now I has to be divide the all 4 parts to a single member. Then how much part I divided? Yes, 4/4. 4 out of 4 means all. 4 out of 4 means a whole. And we know that fraction means this is the part of a whole. Means when we join all parts, then it becomes a whole. See here, this is the whole, entire. This is the full cake. This is the entire cake. This is the whole cake. So fraction is nothing but the parts of the whole. This is the one part of the whole. Understood all the students? The equal word is a very important in the division. Now see, again another method for the reading this: 1/4, 2/4, 3/4 and 4/4. Again I revise that. Suppose I want to divide the cake into 4 equal parts, then 4 should be at the down. We know that total numbers of the equal parts is always at the down. And how many parts we have, that should be right at the above of the line. Line means divide upon. How to read this? Upon. Understood all the students? So here suppose I want to divide 2 parts out of 4, then it is read as 2/4. If we divide 3 parts out of 4, then it is read as 3/4. 3/4 means 3 parts out of 4 equal parts. See here, 3 parts out of 4 equal parts. Understood? And last, if I want the total parts, then it becomes a whole. Means 4 divided by 4 is equal to 1. This is the 1. How many cakes are here? 1 cake. These are the parts of a 1 cake. Understood all the students?